Creating an ActiveCampaign account is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Visit the website, go to ActiveCampaign's website, start the sign-up process. Click on the Start Your Free Trial button, typically located on the homepage. This will take you to the registration page. Enter your information. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and a password for your account. You may also be asked to provide your company name and phone number. Choose a plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs. ActiveCampaign offers various plans with different features, such as Lite, Plus, Professional, and Enterprise. If you're unsure, you can start with a free trial to explore the features. Complete the sign-up. Click Start Free Trial or a similar button to complete the registration. You may need to verify your email address by clicking a link sent to your inbox. Set up your account. After logging in, follow the setup wizard to configure your account settings, including your business information and email domain. Explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and features such as campaigns, automations, and contact management.